Hello everyone, my name is Savi Kumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my diploma in computer science and engineering. Currently, I am preparing for IT jobs. I have basic knowledge Python, Linux, AWS, and Git. I am a uh, 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 quick learning, hardworking, and always ready. Linear new technology. Thank you, sir. What are container? Container a packaging a with applications. Everything node it multiple runs. Container share the can some servers sub-operating systems while loop keep their application libraries. It's multiple the containers run servers on the some server each which wa- watch applications say, sharing the OS target a application in platforms deployment in containerizations container the keep the environment containers every marking deployment smoother the target is or architectures scaling architectures a application grow on for the grow host to understand containers architects the automatically tool scaling measurements AWS containers सर्विस सर्वर हो गया कंप्यूटर हो गया रजिस्टर्स होगा रजिस्टर ECR containers and storage containers image AWS forget run containers in without measurements. What is Amazon EC2? EC2 Elastic Containers Service EC2 service Elastic Orator's service for deploying in scaling and manage containerization manage applications EC2 futures EC2 first option types or second option EC2 forget full controls EC2 full control over the infrastructures for custom hardware networks. EC2 with forget solving option focus code will EC2 for solving forget focus on will be codes Why AWS handle server and scaling. The MySQL in operate in operators. The in operators use in the where close to the check specific to column checks value in within may provide list in the operators in sorted in functions for multiple marking quick the short and more relatable the not operators by using not in operators you all return all regard that not any the list the following the all customers that are not in Gmail the between where operators the between the operators with huge in the where the value use specific range the spacing the range involves the beginning event value of the range include in the result the MySQL the joins in school is the join is clones used to row based from two more tables between the row relative between columns higher are the different the between types MySQLs in are the joins return only the row that have matching the value in both tables left join return all the left row from the left join only the match right the tables right join all rows from the right joins right tables and only the match the left tables cross joins return the customs product to of two more of tables Python range the built-in range return function multiple sequence the numbers columns in only looping call range with agreement if the range only function is called with only one agreement the agreement in the agreement the steps value the start the agreement statement is option not defined to 0 10 number range square of each numbers from 0 to 9 the agreements and the scaling 10 state of the local repository. At the start of the chapters, you should the commitment and to branch in your repository and should and on the branch current state of the repository. The two state of the Git project. You lender in the there are two types of local repository which are on structured computer and remote repository which are hosting service. You can start working project Git from either from local or repository. Start a remote repository. Remote repository. To from Git project from a remote repository. You can either field remote repository you want to work can earn new repository on a hosting repository. Then you chain in the other word copy the remote repository in the to your will be local repository. This is the will